Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on multiplying algebraic fractions worksheets. So this video gives two worksheets on the topic of multiplying algebraic fractions. Now we've had a lesson on the very topic, so if you're not sure what to do on the last slide, there is a link for you, and if you click on the link it takes you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. As always, I'll leave this slide here on for 1 minute before I move on to the next slide, but you can pause the video on any slide for as long as you want. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide now. Okay, here's the next slide. Good luck with it. By all means, pause it for as long as you want. I'll leave it on for a minute before I go to the final slide. Okay, I'll move on to the last slide now, where you can access the link to the lesson if you like. I hope you have fun doing these worksheets.